What's up guys, this is MySQL Gyan and today we are unboxing greensoul office chair. Model name is Vienna and variant is full black. Let's unpack it. These are the wheelbase. The chair itself. There are majorly 3 parts and that's it. These are the hydraulics which we need to set. These are hydraulic cover, pretty straightforward. And we do have manual instructions as well, how to set up hydraulics. So let's do it. Hydraulic cap. We need at least 2% because the chair is pretty heavy in itself. Everything is working as expected. This is MySQL Gyan and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.